What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the arrows navigation using Revolution Slider 6 WordPress plugin. So in the latest videos that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we did learn how to create a slider from the 0 point, how to apply a button and action on it, how to import layouts from another slider to a new one. And now, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to change this little fancy arrow icon that appears in the right and left corner of your sliders in a simple and easy method. First of all, we're gonna move to our click on Revolution Slider and hover over the slider. Click on the pencil icon so we can load the slider editor. In the top section, looking at the right sidebar, next to the cog icon, we're gonna find the navigation settings, the navigation options, the progress, and next to the progress, arrows. We're gonna click to the arrow or simply click on the arrow into the slider layout. So we can open, first of all, the arrow type. The very first option is select as on or off the arrow option. We need to select on, of course, in the case that you want to have arrows. And now we're gonna be able to change the arrow style. There's a lot of preset styles into Revolution Slider, but there's a custom option that makes you able to create your own. But we're gonna play in this video with the already made ones. This one, for example, show a little thumb of the next slider and the slider title. In the end of the video, I'm gonna show how to change the slider type. But now, let's have a look at the next option, that is the left arrow, that we can change the alignment, position. We can align by something, and now alignment options. We can change the position, the animation. We can apply some padding, top and bottom, and the visibility, the RTL direction, the speed, the hover, the hide option, and the navigation style. Here you can play, you can fully edit the colors of your arrows and other options. For example, set some red arrow. Or a blue, nice blue one. Let me come back to the arrow that we previously set, just to show you more options. In the case that you have made a lot of changes and you want to have more sliders on your site and want to reuse those changes, you can save these navigation settings as a template. Let me select another. Arrow type. And as you can see, you can change the size, the arrow size, or even enable or disable. Now back into the global presets, you just need to apply some name to this preset and click on save. So we can reload it in other sliders in the case that you want. Once I made no change to the original layout, it will not be saved. But if you change the color, for example, just the color, you're gonna be able to save it. It's looking nice. And now we can save it. Let me pick another slider style. And now we're gonna find the arrow options, the arrow icon options. As you can see, there's a couple of sets and options that you can select. So you can give some more unique or personalized or customized slider arrow style. There's something wrong with this, of course. Let me pick some ones that fits to the layout. Excellent. And now just have a look to the results we got. If you hover over the arrow, you're gonna apply some short part of the next slider image and the title. So how to change this title called slide? Here in the sliders, we have new slide and to new slide. If you hover over this new slide, using the top middle section, you can type the name of the slide. For example, sports. Select the other slider, hover over new slide that used to be the slider title, and give you some more personalized title like healthy. Save change. And now, as you can see, if you hover over, it's healthy or sport. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with all those features, compatibility with Revolution Slider 6 version, and much more. And I see you later. All the best!